students, welcome to the online class. Today we will start chapter 5 heading ISP. Okay, in last video I told you about web page, home page, URL, and then today we will start with the ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. Means which company give you internet services, that is known as Internet Service Provider. Okay, and what is the full form of ISP? That is Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider means which company. In India there are so many companies, those who useful for giving you internet connection. Just like this time nowadays in popular, which one is? That is Jio. Yes, like that in starting first in India, first which company used? That is BSNL. And after students, it provide you when you will take the internet service provider from any of the company, it will give you the username, the ID, password. Okay, this thing it will give you. And here are some popular internet service providers, that is Airtel, Reliance, Jio. These are all. Okay, and then afterwards, next is we will come on the net surfing. So students, what is net surfing? Net surfing on internet, that is used as the internet connection. Okay, means the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link another, that is without planned search strategy. Means if we want to search the particular topic that we don't know where it is the main place, but we are searching with the name, the next link will come, then we use that particular link. Afterwards next link will come, then use that link. Means we doesn't plan because we don't know where we will go, what we need to search, but we just search it. Net surfing, as I told you, what is that? Means search without plan. World Wide Web, www. Using this, we use this for searching. Okay, that a link can be, and on internet students, on internet, if you want to search at it, so when you will give a name, particular name for searching, then you will put a name. Just like I am searching Amazon. Amazon, as all of you know, it is just a shopping place online. I want to know about Amazon. So I am on Google. I will give one name, particular Amazon. Now there are so many links will come. There are so many links will come. Some text link will come. Some images link will come. Okay. And link. What is link on the internet? Link, students. Link means which connect one page to another page, that is called link. Link means which connect one page to another page, that is called link. So on internet there is a text link, images link. So when we click on mouse here on particular any of the link, when we click our mouse any of the particular link, then it will take shape like this. Then it will shape like hand, otherwise mouse pointer. Why? It will show you that here is the another page related to your topic. What it will say? It will say you that here is another page related to your link. Here is another page related to your link. So when you will click on it, it will open you the next page. It will open the next page in front of you. Either it is related to text link, either it is related to image link, but it will give you to the next page. This is called the net surfing. Now, next heading is search engine. Search engine, students. Search engine means we want to search anything. When we want to go anywhere, students, when we want to go anywhere, so what we will do? We will just ask someone, where do you live? And that particular person, they cannot tell his particular place, only tell you the area. So what you will do, you go to that area and then ask about it. Like the search engine means when we don't know, I am giving you one more example, just like book. If you don't know about any chapter, which chapter is it, which chapter you want to see, so what you will do, you will just see the index, where all the chapters are there, you will search from the index. Okay. And on internet, search engine is a software that give you the way to go to your search option. Search engine on internet will give you the option to go to your particular page. And on internet, there are so many search engines are there. So students, on internet, there are so many pages to search like search engine. So, in this condition, just like your book, you want to search a particular page. So, what you will do? You will just open the index and select your chapter and see the page number, and you go directly there. Like search engine, like I am giving you one example, Google. Google is the search engine, the famous one. Google, Yahoo, these all the search engines. Bing. And when you are going to use that, you have to use your search engine to search this. Means this is one application program. This is an application program to search anything through the internet. Just like in your phone, there is a Google Chrome, there is normally Google. So what is the use of it? When you want to know anything, means if you want to know any spelling, if you want to know about any shopping malls, so where will you go? You go simply, you just open the Google and type the name and search it. Search means if you want to search anything on the internet, so what we will do? We will use the search engine. Means Google, Bing, Yahoo, these all. Afterwards, to find information on the search engine, to find means if you want to search anything, simply what you will do, you will just download Google Chrome, Google, otherwise any search engine which you want to use, which you want to keep in your phone, which you want to keep in your desktop, just open it and simply type a keyword. Keyword means simply type that particular name with what you want to search. Type that particular name, what you want to search, and then it will give you answer. So students, afterwards, search engine means how we will do it. I told you how we will do it, and then afterwards we will discuss in our next video. And if you are getting any problem related to video, please ask me in your live class. So students, this is all about today. Today we studied about net surfing and the search engine, and thus you have to be ready. And the next video I will tell you how to use search engine step by step and the basic requirements of the internet. Okay, this is all about today. Thank you.